Hey guys, welcome back to the Dragon Corps YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about Maven. Now what is Maven actually? To get an idea of that, you got to have a prior experience of developing something, right? So for example, actually Java developers use Maven the most. Maven is mostly interacted with the Java development stuff and all, right? So for example, take a scenario that you have to develop a project in which you need to add a specific functionality, right? Suppose you need to create a PDF. Now for that you need to find the jar file of that specific library, right? Suppose we use iText. Now you need to search the iText or jar files over the internet, and that too contains a lot of time, consists of a lot of time taking stuff, all right, all that, right? So you need to search it all over the internet. You need to go visit about 10 to 20 websites to get a stable jar file, right? Now developers used to spend a huge amount of time in searching searching the libraries and then fitting them into the project folder, and then starting to develop their project. Now that was a time waste, right? So that's why Maven came into the picture. So when Maven came, what it does does is it provides you a default directory structure. Now what that directory structure helps in is it gives you a pom.xml file. It enables the developer to it helps the developer in finding the jar files. The developer doesn't need to visit 10 to 20 websites to search the library. It just needs to go to the central repository website of the Maven and search their related library. Now when the developer finds that library, what he needs to do is he will be provided with a code snippet, an XML code snippet termed under the dependency tag. Now what the developer needs to do is he needs to copy that dependency code snippet and then paste it into the pom.xml file that he's been provided with the accordance with the Maven directory structure, right? So when he does that and saves that with his project, now this would what Maven would do is it would automatically go visit the central Maven repository site and then download all the jar files related to the associated with that dependency that you just pasted, right? So that made a hell lot of work easier and reduced the time consumption. So that's what Maven does and helps the developer to reduce the time consumption. Now there's the several IDEs which we use. For example, in Java we use NetBeans for to give you account. That's my favorite IDE. They provide you several features, right? In NetBeans you have a feature where you don't even need to copy and paste the dependency from by visiting the Maven Central website. What you need to do is search your specific library associated that you need to associate with your project in the search bar, right? In the search bar, when you create a new Maven project, you get a search bar with it. You search the library, you right click on the dependency folder, then you search the library that you need, and then you click add dependency button over there, right? Now, so what it does is it automatically copies and pastes the dependencies in your pom.xml file, and your work is done. Your project is ready to go, and you can start developing stuff like that. So that's what all Maven does. Now thank you for everything, and if you have any doubts then mention in the comment section below, and please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.